Hi, everybody. It's Jennifer White with the MJW Group, and today I wanted to chat about being too lean. Is it possible to be too lean in your organization? Heck yeah, absolutely. Now that we're kind of coming up for air, and during this pandemic in 2020, you can definitely see where some organizations have become quite lean. There's been restructuring, there's been changes in business models, cash flow has dried up. So, of course, things are going to be more lean around people, technology that you may have invested in, and other capital expenditures. So, what does being too lean mean? First of all, when we think of lean in the operations management sense, we look for ways to reduce waste. And we also look for ways to reduce variability. So I would say probably now we have a higher tolerance of variability, but at the same time, we've gotten to a point where we've just leaned out so much. So it's kind of like a free for all right now, is what I'm saying. So look at how your business model is now set up and your infrastructure, and make sure you have the right contributions going into your infrastructure. Otherwise, you could possibly be too lean. Thanks for watching.